DeFi is all the rage. Of course, you know that because you clicked on this video. But with the remarkable gains we've had so far in 2021, is there any room left for decentralized finance projects to give our cryptocurrency portfolios the alpha we desire? In this video, I have 5 DeFi projects that you should know about in 2021, and even with the bull run in full swing, may be good to add to your portfolio because of the long-term value that they could provide. All of the cryptos I highlight in this video can be traded on Binance. If you don't have an account yet, click the link in the description to sign up. I'll be going over the fundamentals that support these DeFi projects and why they are exciting, with a quick look at the tokenomics of each. So with the potential of blockchains to support DeFi, like betting, trading, loans, and general payments made off the back of smart contracts, these blockchain projects could be set to take advantage of what looks to be a wider adoption going forward. At number 1, we have THORChain. I've covered THORChain in previous videos, and thanks to the current bull run, Rune now sits at a market cap of over $1 billion. THORChain is slightly different to most DeFi projects, being built on the Binance smart chain and not the Ethereum network. The origins of this project are clouded in mystery, as the founders and people running the network are completely anonymous. But THORChain, despite its relatively small size, has tremendous backing. To run nodes on the THORChain, you require a bond of around $1.5 million, and THORChain already has many nodes around the world. What we can take from this fact is that THORChain obviously has some whales invested. THORChain works by allowing users to swap tokens cross-network in a decentralized way. At the moment, with each blockchain being different, it means that trading of cryptocurrencies is best done on centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. For now, this is the best way to provide traders with liquidity, low costs, and importantly, the ability to trade one crypto asset for another, even though they are built on different blockchains. But this goes against the very nature of decentralization. So using THORChain, you can swap tokens like Bitcoin for Ethereum in a decentralized way and use Rune tokens to pay for the fees. It will allow people to swap tokens of any blockchain in a fast, efficient, and low-cost way. Users can also stake their Rune and earn a yield from the trading fees and rewards of Rune tokens. THORChain being built on Binance Chain is interesting, as the founder of Binance himself even says that one day the logical outcome for trading cryptos is that they all get traded on decentralized platforms, and THORChain could become an integral part of the Binance Chain going forward. The current market cap of THORChain just above $1 billion, with a market cap rank of 68. The supply cap is 500 million coins, and under half of those are already in existence. The price around $5 as of making this video. Next up, we have Chainlink. Chainlink is an Oracle program that links smart contracts with data from the real world. Why is this important? Well, people who use DeFi to place bets or make trades based on outcomes in the real world need that data in order to complete the contract. A simple example is if I bet on Liverpool winning the Premier League, which is not going to happen this year, I would need a real world data feed into the system to complete my bet. Chainlink isn't an altcoin gem though. It's here and people know about this. It's been invested in and currently sits at number 9 in the crypto rankings by market cap as of making this video. Why are oracles important though? Well, as DeFi grows, it will fundamentally require data fed in from the real world to provide the basics for these smart contracts. They also ensure that data being fed in can't be tampered with or altered in some way, which would lead to a breakdown of the trustless system. While some other Oracle systems depend on a centralized service that may even be run by a notary system of human beings agreeing on data accuracy, Chainlink uses blockchain technology to link into various data feeds, meaning that the Oracle system, as Chainlink says, has no one point of failure. Without accurate real-world data, DeFi projects can't expand outside of a closed system of games and low-rent gambling applications. With oracles like Chainlink, the system can grow to become the basis of modern finance. Currently, Chainlink sits at a market cap of $14 billion with a market cap rank of 9. The supply cap is 1 billion coins with 408 million in existence already, and a price as of making this video around $34. Moving on to number 3, and we have AAVE. AAVE has had an incredible rise in value this year, but has come into some choppy water over the last few weeks, trading more or less sideways and down almost, whilst others have been going up to the moon. So what's up with AAVE? Well, AAVE is a classic example of what DeFi can do. It's a decentralized lending protocol where you can lend your cryptocurrency to earn interest and rewards, or use the liquidity on the platform to borrow assets for a fee. Lenders and borrowers can use AAVE in a decentralized way to come together and provide those services without the need for middlemen like banks. You can go on the network and see the most popular cryptos on the system, which are for right now DAI, USDC, TUSD, and USDT. Yeah, a lot of stable coins, but AAVE has backers including Winklevoss Capital, you know, the two alpha male dudes that got booted out of Facebook by the Zuck, those guys. Those two have done okay though, becoming Bitcoin billionaires, and are investors in this project along with some others. AAVE has recently added flash loans as well, which are uncollateralized loans. And you may be thinking, that's absolute madness. Well, actually, those loans are designed more for market participants who may need liquidity in certain assets to enable low risk trading. In any case, lending and borrowing of financial assets is an immensely large market, and using the blockchain to support this in a decentralized way is surely the future of how a large majority of transactions will take place due to low fees and open fair markets for that liquidity. AAVE may be one of the projects that takes advantage of the growth in the coming years. Currently, the market cap of AAVE is 5.5 billion, the market cap rank of 16. There's a supply cap of 16 million coins and 12.4 million in circulation already, with a price per coin of $440. yearn.finance is at number 4, another well-known project that aims to take advantage of various types of liquidity in the expanding crypto marketplace. With so many different blockchains and trade occurring on all of them, there are many opportunities for systems that take advantage of this to yield returns. Common ways to do this are to aggregate lending platforms such as AAVE, which we just talked about, and similar services to provide better prices for customers. This can be known as yield farming, where participants like Yearn keep the market in good order by moving liquidity to the most competitive lending platforms. There are also other services that can be offered to traders and customers that offer the customer better prices and returns whilst creating a small yield for liquidity providers. yearn.finance has seen intense gains in the price over the last few years, once again leading me to be hesitant to talk about a crypto that has done so well. But then again, prices appreciate for a reason. We've seen this with Amazon, Tesla, and Apple, where a killer product creates value. Something that goes up doesn't just stop increasing in value because it's got a high valuation. The question is not does Yearn have the ability to provide value, but how much more value can it possibly provide over the coming years across possibly a multitude of blockchains, and can it keep relevant in a changing environment? yearn.finance is currently sitting at number 58 in the market cap rankings, at 1.5 billion US dollars, a supply cap of 36,666 coins, with almost all of those coins in circulation. In at number 5 is a low cap altcoin that may be worth a punt if you're looking to take more risk. Injective Protocol actually aims to solve a problem, and I like projects that do that. Injective is a layer 2 protocol that allows for cross-chain derivatives trading. Remember how I said that with many blockchains, the difficulty is somehow trading across each one seamlessly? Well, that's what Injective tries to solve. With Injective, you can trade across Ethereum, Cosmos, and other popular blockchains with low to zero network fees. Yes, zero gas fees. Moreover, with Injective, the focus is on true decentralization. The protocol allows anyone with a price feed to create a market in anything they like. Other people can then go and trade in that market. For now, liquid swaps and CFDs are supported on the platform. Having traded on the LSE for years, I know how important it is, especially in CFD and derivatives markets, to trade fast and also at the absolute lowest cost possible. And that's exactly what INJ tries to do in the crypto space with this protocol. INJ is a minnow in comparison to the other projects I've talked about in this video, still being in the earlier stages of a rollout. The market cap currently sitting at 205 million USD, the market cap ranking of 171. Around 13% of the possible supply of coins are in existence, the price currently sitting at around 15 USD. To recap on these DeFi projects then, as an investor, it's difficult to get our head around the stratospheric moves that most DeFi players have already had in 2021. Most of them taking off like the latest SpaceX Starship. Trying to pick projects in a space with such huge inflows will create a market where, in the event of a small sell-off, we could see the prices of some DeFi projects plummet back to earth, just like the latest SpaceX Starship. Let me know in the comments which DeFi projects you think will continue to do well in 2021, and any projects worth a mention that didn't make it into the small list in this video. Trading of these altcoins is supported on Binance. You can sign up for a Binance account by clicking the link in the description. Also, if you want more videos like this where I outline and give some research on potential crypto projects, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.